Hello and welcome to my trading education channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a highly effective strategy that I've developed using two powerful indicators, Macd and SuperIchi by Luxalco. By optimizing the settings of these indicators, I've been able to create a winning strategy that has yielded consistent profits. For those of you who may not be familiar with these indicators, Macd is a modified version of the popular moving average convergence divergence Macd indicator, while SuperIchi is a custom indicator developed by Luxalco that combines elements of Ichimoku and moving averages to generate highly accurate signals. In this video, I'll be walking you through the process of setting up and using these indicators in a way that maximizes their effectiveness. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use these indicators to identify high-probability trades and improve your overall trading performance. So without further ado, let's dive in and discover how to create a winning trading strategy using Macd and SuperIchi. Now let's set up our indicator settings and move on to our trading strategy. First, let's learn an example of a short position. Rule 1. The price should be trading below the SuperIchi clouds. Rule 2. A green candlestick must close inside the red cloud first, followed by a red candlestick closing below the cloud. Rule 3. The Macd indicator should cross below the zero line and show a red bar. When all conditions are met, a short position can be opened. As always, the stop-loss level should be above the last swing high, and if the price reaches a 1-to-1 profit level, the stop-loss level should be moved to the entry point of the trade. Now let's learn an example of a long position. Rule 1. The price should be trading above the SuperIchi clouds. Rule 2. A red candlestick must close inside the green cloud first, followed by a green candlestick closing above the cloud. Rule 3. The Macd indicator should cross above the zero line and show a green bar. When all conditions are met, a long position can be opened. As always, the stop-loss level should be below the last swing low, and if the price reaches a 1-to-1 profit level, the stop-loss level should be moved to the entry point of the trade. I believe that you have easily understood the rules of our trading strategy. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments section. Now, let's look at a few examples and reinforce the strategy. Please watch the video without skipping, because I will give a different tip shortly. Yes, now I will show you a different way of taking profit. This style of taking profit is particularly suitable and easy for those trading in the spot market. It can even be used for trades with 2 or 3 times leverage. But never apply it to trades with high leverage. The entry conditions are the same, but to close the trade, we have to wait for the MACD indicator to show the opposite color, for example. If we have opened a short position, we will stay in the trade until the MACD indicator shows a green bar. If we have a long position, we will close the trade when the MACD indicator shows a red bar. Now, I will show you some examples. Dear friends, I hope this strategy will bring you great profits as well. As you know, I test all the strategies I share for a long time with backtesting and publish the strategies that I am sure will provide profits. See you again soon. Goodbye.